Okay, hello, today we're going to make a blueberry. Step 1. Add the sphere. Scale the sphere to 0.8 and select the top part and push it in a bit. Then extrude that thing, make a little insert and extrude it down again. Insert and scale it. Then we're going to extrude it down, scale it a bit and extrude it up. And do the same for the button. Go out of edit, make it smooth and add a subdivision. Go back into edit and make some random variations to that thing here. There we go. And now we're going to give it a shader. Click onto new, first thing, give it a bluish color. And add a color ramp. Drag the color into both. And make a slight variation here. Connect it and add a mask wrap texture. And change it to multifractal. And don't forget to connect it. And add the texture coordinate. And plug in the object. And now change it to 0.2. Detail up. Dimension down. And honestly a bit down as well. Create a color ramp. Take a bit to black and white. And plug it into the ruffles. And change it a bit. A bump into the normal. And add a noise texture. Scale it down. And scale more. And make more detail. And go into the shader. Go to the shader. And done is your blueberry.